What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2008 Yamaha Raider. Guys, this thing is sweet looking. It's got a like candy red paint job. It's got some sweet looking slash Vance & Hines pipes. This bike is absolutely gorgeous, guys. We don't get a ton of these things in, so it's pretty cool when we get one in. It's got some flaws. I'll point them out to you, but it's got some serious depth in this paint job. I like it. It's not just like a boring flat red. Starting here in the back, we got a chip right there. The rest of the fender looks pretty good. We got a little scuff right there. And we got a chip there. Some residue from the towel. That rim looks nice. It's got that mag wheel. Good looking rim. I love these pipes. They're so fitting to the bike. Like, whoever put those pipes in the bike actually had some type of like artistic flair with it. Chip right there. Because they didn't just order some boring old pipes. Like, they put pipes that look like they should be on this bike. So we've got a chip right there, as you can see that. I'm wondering if you could get a new side cover. If that really bothers you. I'm sure you could. And then you move up to the tank, and we got some scuffs in the tank there. If you can see there, and there. Those are all chips in the tank. Chrome's in good shape, though. Chrome lowers are in good shape. Front fender's in pretty good shape. A couple little scuffs there. Such a mean looking front end with all the chrome and like all the jagged edges and stuff. Such a good looking front end. This side of the tank's in really good shape. I'm not seeing a whole lot wrong with that side of the tank. The chrome all down along here is in great shape. It's pitted a tiny bit right there. If you can see that, I just need a good clean. A couple little scuffs right there. If you can see that one and that one. Key obviously opens out. I think there's like a toolbox in there, or a little tool pouch in there. Yeah, this is actually in pretty good shape. I got a couple little scuffs right there, but it's not all like gross and peeling and stuff. Seat's in good shape, guys. Top of the seat's in good shape. Top of the backrest is in good shape. It's got the little luggage rack. I don't know how much you're sticking on that thing. Big wide seat. Doesn't look like looks like a little scuff on the seat. I don't know if you can see it. Right there, not a huge deal. Top of the dash is in pretty good shape. Let's see, how many miles are on this beast? 10,540. You got the time and the odometer, and the time. It's pretty cool. Guys, killer looking Raider. It's got some flaws. I showed you the chips in the paint. I'm gonna need to charge that battery up a little bit. No worries though. Fires up good, runs good. Sean will take this beast for a test drive. Make sure to check that out. You're gonna see how this thing handles. But these things are absolute animals, guys. They do not last long. It's gonna be a killer deal for what it is. Get some touch-up paint, touch up some of the spots, but this is such a good-looking hot rod bike, guys. I'm not too concerned about it. It's a killer-looking bike. The flames look awesome. It's got such a deep paint job to it. Great-looking bike, guys. Not gonna last long. Thanks a ton for watching. Make sure to check out the test drive video, as well as check us out at Srkcycles.com. Thanks a ton, guys.